Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm still in Addis and we are going to the largest market here in Africa. It's called Merkato Market. So basically I'm just going to show you, I won't be talking so much. So what I'll be doing, I'll just be walking around with the camera so you can see the situation and everything. But I won't be talking because I've been told it's a very dangerous area. There are a lot of pickpocketers. We've actually experienced, people stealing some of our things around here. So let's head down. I've already called a cab, and then so let's go. Merkato Market here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. I'm from Kenya. Yeah.
We are two neighbors.
Sorry?
We are two neighbors.
Yeah.
Sugar.
So guys, I actually got into problem with the police here. So while I was walking along the Merkato Market, and then some local guys saw me vlogging with the camera. It's very tiny. Then they ran, went and called so many police, and they came in. They were just surrounding me like this. So what I did, some footage is actually deleted, and they are the one that is actually displayed is the the one that has actually played is the only one that remained in this day. So what happened was this: I was walking, then I just saw some guy just coming and then pulling me, and I was like, yo, why are you pulling me? The thing is, they don't understand English, so I was like, how am I going to communicate? You know, I'm kind of shocked. That's why I'm actually stammering, but you know, it's okay. So these guys, the police surrounded me and they took me to a small house like this. I was like, no. They're like, what are you doing here? Where is the camera? I first removed my phone camera and then showed them the gallery. There was nothing. And then they were like, they saw me with the camera. I can actually, you know, show them the camera. So when you gave them the camera, I had to move the SD. So they checked. I was like, there's nothing. And then there were like 50 police, you know, surrounding me there. So my heart was like beating. This is like the 4th or 5th arrest I'm actually, you know, getting here in Ethiopia. But that was the only footage I actually managed to record in the Merkato Market. It's a very, very dangerous place. There's so many, you know, pickpocketers and stuff. So when you go there, be very, very much careful. I wanted to record this video to be a very, very long video, but unfortunately it's just that small. And that's the charms and beauty of Merkato Market. But the thing is this: it's so hard to vlog in Ethiopia. Very, very hard. I've been having hard time vlogging in Ethiopia because, you know, it's just not allowed, you know. And the police are always so much insecure with the cameras. It's so hard to record something. So unfortunately that was the only footage I could take of Merkato Market. And yeah, it's the largest market here in Africa, and here in Ethiopia, of course. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching the short video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.